I have this hand texture painted already and I want to paint the nails on top. If you want to know how to create the cigarette you just saw, I have a tutorial just for that, link in the description. For texture painting you need to have your UV mapping. So I'm gonna duplicate this image texture and Principled BSDF. And I'm going to create a new one. I'm gonna make mine 4K and make sure you click the color and move the alpha all the way down. I'm gonna lower the roughness all the way down so you can see the difference. Click and drag from the Principled BSDF to add a mix shader. And make sure the new one is plugged to the bottom socket. I'm going to use the alpha of the new image as a factor. Make sure you're in material preview and moving to texture paint and clicking the new image texture. And now I can paint on top. If this is what you see, that means you're in solid view mode. You just need to change to material preview. I hope this video helped you. Feel free to like and subscribe and leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching.